Styccobond F46 pressure-sensitive adhesive dries to a permanent tacky film for securing vinyl sheet and tile floor coverings. On absorbent surfaces, apply the adhesive evenly using a 1.5mm by 3mm or 1.5mm by 5mm V-notch trowel. Roll with a paint roller which has been pre-wetted with adhesive to obtain a smooth, uniform appearance to minimize adhesive grin-through. Alternatively, use the Styccobond fine notch trowel. To aid the installation of vinyl sheet and tiles, the adhesive should be allowed to dry for approximately 40 minutes until the F46 turns transparent and tacky. Floor coverings can be placed into the adhesive immediately, although it's advisable to leave the adhesive for approximately 10 minutes before placing tiles to reduce the potential for sliding. For non-absorbent surfaces, apply the adhesive with a trowel and roller as shown previously, allowing it to dry to a firm tack before laying the floor covering. Following the floor covering manufacturer's laying instructions, place the floor covering into the adhesive and press from the center outwards to exclude any air. Then roll from end to end and side to side using the 68 kg flooring roller.